Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change OneDrive folder location and OneDrive app at 2026. So actually guys, you will need just to go ahead on your taskbar and click on show hidden icons if you can't see the OneDrive icon. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it, and after that just go and tap or click on help and settings icon. It's like a gear icon actually, and then just go with the settings, the first option. So right now everyone, I just want you to stay on the account section, okay, and go and click on unlike this PC. So right now I want you to confirm your choice by clicking on the blue button or unlike account. Right now I want you to go ahead and start OneDrive again and sign in. Okay, so click on sign in and go with sign in. Okay, right now I want you just to go ahead and click on change location and choose a new folder or a new location. Then just go with select folder. Okay, then next from here. Okay, and yeah, you can go with use this folder once you changed it. If not, you can go with choose a new folder again and confirm then. All right, and then just next, use this folder and yeah, finish the setup. Then go with next. If you want to upgrade, you can go with upgrade, but for me I will go with not now. Then next, 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 and later. And as you can see, your OneDrive is ready for you, and you can launch it just from here again. And OneDrive will now sync files to the new location. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.